inspired Yudah Leib on day 35. And we have a little game where we put the blanket over here. And he tickles him. And he plays a game where he rubs his face in it and laughs and smiles from the tickling. And then he turns his head away in a very shy way. And then he goes and turns his head back into it to go do it again, where he tickles himself again. So we're just waiting for him to go do that. You see how smiley and cute he is?
Where's that smiley baby? We love you so much. Yeah.
Let's see if he does it.
I think maybe it's too far, the blanket.
Maybe. Alright, let's put it a little closer. Let's see if he does it now.
Cutie pie.
Sarah Yudah Leib was so happy, smiley, playful, cute. I love him very, very much. There he goes. Then he laughs. He turns his face into it again. Then he laughs and smiles. We were watching him on Shabbos doing this for about 40 minutes, where he would keep turning his head into the blanket. And tickling himself and smiling and laughing. It's hilarious. He's sweet and adorable. We love him so much.
Should always be happy, cutie pie.
Always find a way to see the good in things.
Amen. Amen. You're so sweet. And you're in such a good mood. And we love you.
Love you so much.